Welcome back to another video of UK Knowledge Guru. In this video, we will discuss part 4 of the sponsorship manual. In this video, we will discuss how to create and assign a new single CAS letter, how to create and assign a new batch of CAS letter, how to edit or delete a single CAS, how to assign a CAS having created it earlier, how to assign a batch. So from the student screen, select Create CAS. You have the options create a single CAS or a batch of CAS, edit a previously saved single or a batch of CAS. Another option you have assign a CAS. So this one, now we are doing create CAS. From create a CAS screen, select the relevant root, student or child student. So you have two options. So if it's a student, you will select student. If it's a child student, which is 6 months visa, you will select that and then click next. From create a CAS screen, select create a new single CAS and then choose next. From a third create a CAS screen, complete the details of the individual you wish to sponsor. For example, the family name of the student, other name, date of birth, gender, nationality, place of birth, country of birth, passport number, applicant number. You also need to provide the UCAS ID number if you have over here. You also need to provide the application number, helps open in the new window if you want to open that, course title, course ID. So you provide all the details over here. From confirmation of saved CAS screen, choose assign. If you need to change any details, you can select amend. So you have the option amend, assign, link, delete, exit. So in this one, we have this root, which is mentioned passport, passport number, family name. We have the nationality, date of birth, course start date, course title, and you have the option assign or amend. On the assign CAS screen, if the details displayed are correct and you are happy with the details, then you select next. Then you select assign. From the online payment screen, select OK to proceed through the payment process. When you have completed the payment confirmation of the assigned CAS, the screen is displayed. The creation of assignment process is now complete. Click OK on it and that will be done. Confirmation of assigned CAS will look like this, where you will have the details, CAS number, date assigned, expiry, student details, student family name, nationality, etc. etc. Make sure all the details are correct. Select OK. Same way you have created the CAS, you will create a batch as well. So instead of creating the one, you can create a batch as well. So now in this one, I'll show you how to amend or delete CAS. So from the student screen, select create CAS. Click on that. From the CAS screen, select student or child student and then click next. Now from the second create a CAS screen, select or find an existing single CAS and select next over here. So you have find us existing single CAS. So we have assigned the CAS already before, and now we are looking for the CAS which we have already assigned. So we will find an existing single and we'll select next. If you have to create a batch, or you wanted to, like for example, if you wanted to create a batch, you will click create batch like this. But if you wanted to find a batch, you will do the same step and you will click next. Now from the create a CAS screen, enter your search parameter and then select next. So for example, if you have already created, so you'll provide the passport number, family name, given name, date of birth, and click next. From an existing CAS screen, edit the details you wish to change. So this is the details which we have already provided. If you want to delete CAS, select delete. You will be asked like confirmation of the deletion, or if you wanted to change any details over here, so you can change detail over here and you can select the delete as well. After editing, from the confirmation of the saved CAS screen, you can see the amended details. So whatever the details you have amended, you can see them over here.